Hey, what's going on everybody? Today's video is going to be pretty brief. So I already unboxed and set up the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra in the titanium gray, but I promised you in that video, which you can find in a card above at some point in this video and linked in the description below, I promised you that I am going to try on those same 6 Samsung watch straps on the titanium white that I did for the titanium gray that I have on my wrist over here. So I just got this in today and we are going to do just that. 6 different straps, at least one from every single type of Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra strap. So let's get started here. I'm going to unbox it just like I did the other one, just not going to set it up. Since I already did that, you can watch that video. I set up the other color and this box exactly like the other one. It just has a different picture of the watch because it's in the color that you ordered, of course. The other one being, once again, titanium gray. I like that we have these pull tabs now. No need for an unboxing knife except for the package that the actual device came in. Samsung branding at the top, Galaxy Watch Ultra branding at the bottom, some information on the watch on the back there, some serial number information on the bottom. Tells you the size there and the watch type. Of course, this only comes in LTE, so it says 47mm LTE. It also only comes in 47mm. So open this up here and we are greeted with our watch in a white box and a picture of the watch face itself. Put that to the side, and in a separate box we have our marine band in white that comes with all of these titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultras. Let's open up the watch. Once again, do not need an unboxing knife. Here we are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. The contrast there between the matte sections of the watch and the more glossy sections. Really nice. And just quickly here, I'll show you what else we get in said box. Here you have the charger and some booklets and so forth. Warranty info on the other side of this little box is where you get your charger. And here we have our Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra in titanium white. Absolutely gorgeous. And let's get right to trying all of the bands. So with this band that comes with it, it's going to be 7 total bands that we are going to show off with this watch in this video. All right, starting off with the marine white band. Absolutely gorgeous. This is what comes with the titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'll let you take a look at that. Meanwhile, I'm going to take off this titanium gray Watch Ultra. And what we're going to do is show them off here side by side. And you can decide which one you think looks nicer. Let me pick these up. Tell me what you think here. I like both of these very, very much, and I definitely plan to interchange the watch straps. So this is the default marine orange watch strap that comes with the titanium gray, and the default marine white strap that comes with the titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra on the side here. All of the same accents. And you'll excuse me for having longer than I typically do fingernails. In anticipation of this video, I knew I was going to be changing a bunch of watch straps, so I was like, you know what? Why don't you wait a couple days to clip those nails, make it easier for you to press that button on the back of the watch and switch up these bands. And I can't wait to clip my nails tonight. All right, so let's check out how this watch looks with the marine orange strap that comes with the titanium gray. Here's how it looks on the titanium white. I think it looks really nice. Here it is from the side. Obviously, it doesn't bleed into the body here, the side of the watch. That is the color of the digital bezel here at the top and whatever color named in the watch. So for example, it's a darker gray on the titanium gray on the side. So, but I think it looks really nice together. Once again, let me put this on. So here's how it looks on my wrist. The titanium white Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra with the marine orange band. Fantastic combination. And since I have this marine white strap now, let me show you how this looks on the titanium gray. I, of course, did not have this strap because I didn't have the titanium watch, the titanium white watch yet. And once again, if you want to see how this color watch looks with the rest of the straps, just check out that video in the description, my unboxing and setup of the titanium gray Galaxy Watch Ultra. But in the meantime, since I have this, we'll put this on. All right, so here's how this looks. Titanium gray Galaxy Watch Ultra with the white marine band. What do you guys think? I actually think that goes together pretty nicely. Up next, we're going to check out the trail band in dark gray, and here's how it looks. Dark gray trail band in dark gray with the titanium white Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Perhaps the white trail band may look best, or the orange one with this, but this is the only color I have of this band. It looked really good on the titanium gray, as you will see in that video if you have not seen that video already. Up next, we've got the dark gray marine band on the titanium white. So I got this watch in sort of at the end of the day. I was trying to catch the natural light, the sunlight. We're getting close to sunset here. It's shining through the window. I hope the lighting is good enough. Here's how this looks. The dark gray marine band with the titanium white Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I think this is definitely a win as well. Nice combination there. Of course, you can just pause the video on any angle if you want to kind of get a better look of how it looks at that angle. Okay, on to the Peakform bands now. I've got 3 of them for you, starting with the white. Here's how the white Peakform band looks. Tell me what you think. And I am rushing to get this out for you because I wanted to get the video out today, if possible. Here's how this looks. The white Peakform band. Not bad at all, huh? Alright guys, and now we've got the dark gray Peakform band. Also a really nice band here. As I begin to lose some lighting, I've got one more band left after this. What do you guys think of this one? This is definitely one of my favorite bands, straps, as was honestly all of the Peakform straps, at least the black, white, and orange, and same with the marine bands. Those are my favorite. And I know a lot of people love those trail bands as well. Last and most certainly not least, we've got the orange Peakform band with the white, the titanium white, as I drop it, Galaxy Watch Ultra. Really beautiful, awesome combination, just like the orange marine band. And here's how it looks on the wrist. Beautiful combination. I suspect this will be a popular one as well. So there you have it, guys. 7 straps, including all of the different types of straps Samsung makes, just not every single color, for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And in this video, we paired them with this titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra. Hope you enjoyed that. Once again, in the description, you can find the video of me showing you all those different color watch straps with this titanium gray Galaxy Watch Ultra. I've got links in the description for where you can pick all of this stuff up. Subscribe if you love to see tech like this. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.